Hey guys, it's your boy Sag and welcome back to Game. So today, I'm going to be playing the love test. So I recorded this 2 times now. It didn't work on the new recorder. That's why I'm using the old one. Maybe it works now. So let's go straight into it. Okay, Seg. Deg? No. I'm going to mention... I'm going to mention my friends. But I'm not going to mention their real names. Okay, first let's try destroy awesomeness. Destroy... come on. Spell it properly. Destroyed? No. Destroyer of awesomeness. There you go. Why? There you go. How hard is it to type that name? Okay, whatever. Do the two of you laugh a lot together? We do jokes sometimes. Do the two of you text and how often? Jeez, grammar, dude. Yes, once or twice a week. Does Destroyer of awesomeness ever give you compliments? No. Do you think Destroyer of awesomeness likes you? No. Do you get excited nervous when you see him, or sometimes it might kill me? Do you enjoy each other's company? A little. Has the tribe awesomeness told you that they like you? No. If you talk, who initiates conversations first? 50-50. Okay. Are you two the same age? 2 or 3 years apart? Do you want to find out everything about the tribe awesomeness? No. Okay. Why did I think so? What the hell? No, why did I think so? Okay, that was so close. That was not close. So, I'm going to take it as a real... I'm going to take the answer over 70 plus, okay? I'm going to agree if if they were really my senpai, it has to be over 70. Okay? Well, that's it. Okay. Next one. We're gonna try out... I'm gonna try out Lydium. Lydium. Start this. Have you ever held Lydium's hand? No, it's freaking fat. No. Does Lydium flirt with... I pressed something. God damn it. Has Lydium ever bought you something or made you something for... He made me a banner. Yes, for Valentine's Day or my birthday. Yes, just because. Okay. What do you like most about Lydium? Their personality? How often does Lydium pop into your head? Hardly ever. Does Lydium know you exist? Nope. Do you think you like Lydium? I'm not sure. Does Lydium make an effort to hang out with you? Yeah, but like a friend. Why are you taking this quiz? Because I'm bored. Is there anything you want to change about Lydium? Nothing. They are perfect. Oh, God, that was not. Don't go up. Don't go over 70. Okay, still 78. That's lucky. Okay. Next one. Okay, I mentioned him on one of my videos. Remember that a lie detector video? He was in there. So watch that video and subscribe. Okay, let's go. Nico. What would you do if Nico has a date and you're 1 hour late? I'll wait 30 minutes. Would you take a bullet for Nico? I'm not sure. I would feel jealous if you saw anyone else interested in Nico. I think so. I flirt with Nico whenever I'm with him. Definitely. I would rather be with Nico right now instead of taking this test quiz. No. Do you know what type of music Nico likes? Yes. Have you ever caught Nico staring at you? Yes. Do your mutual friends get along? Yeah, all of our friends hang out all the time. Does Nico have your phone number? No. How often do you talk with Nico? Every once in a while. Do not go over 70, please. Do not. No. No. What the hell? So it's either... Okay, whatever. So he's our candidate number one. So he could be possibly my senpai, or I'll get someone higher than his rank. So let's go to the next one. Okay, this one is actually a female, okay? She's a girl, a really pretty one. I smile every time I think of Siberian 27. Sometimes. I often dream about Siberian 27. Always, because we're friends, we're close. I always get her into my dreams for some reason, Even a bad dream, I imagine her being with me and then she dies. She dies. It's so dark, always. How often do you know How do you spontaneously plan Siberian 27 with a kiss? Oh no, never. How many interests do you share with Caribbean 37? 10 plus. I can't bear to spend any time away from Caribbean 37. Sometimes. How often do you buy gifts for Caribbean 37? Every few weeks. I feel sad when I'm not with Caribbean 37. Sometimes. Do you ever lie to Caribbean 37? Sometimes. I get angry when I miss an opportunity to be with Caribbean 37. Sometimes. I try to make Caribbean 37 feel special every time I see him or her. Always. Because I'm a good friend. Okay. Oh no, it's not stopping. Oh no. What? Oh! God, that was my last pick. What happened? So guys, you're not allowed to ship us. The truth is I actually have a lot of shipping things in school. They always ship us because we always hang out. We're just having fun. Okay? It's called friendship. Well then. I'm gonna end it here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do a part 2 of this because this is fun. So whatever. Well then, hope you guys enjoy. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and great channel. So subscribe and like by new. Yeah. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.